O Tangaroa tatoi! O Tangaroa tama! Atua, atua! Atua kauanga tia te Patuwai! Te Patuwai anuku! Te Patuwai anekai! Ara mai nei tamaro tagatu! Ara mai nei kiuta! Ako Tangaroa! Whakamautai!
Tangaroa. And this song was performed as an action song by Waihīrere in the year 2000 on the Mighty Waikato. And I remember sitting there watching it and then listening to it and then feeling it and thinking, wow, this is such a fantastic, amazing composition. Like many of our fantastic compositions at Te Matatini, came, it impacted, and then kind of you don't hear it around. So this was an opportunity to maybe say, hey, Tairāwhiti, you should consider doing this waiata. So I was so happy that this waiata made the list to represent the Tairāwhiti, because I think it's one of those waiata that I guess shifted the nature of action song composition in the festival. It started a trajectory for other songs like it, like Wairinga Hika, like many of the other action songs that have that slower pace, which Tūhoi used to dominate i mua, and then it opened up the gate for other rohe, I guess, to express themselves through that tempo of song.
Kia ora, my name is Lorraine and I'm from Te Tairāwhiti. I perform for Waihīrere, Kapahaka. I used to perform for Tu Te Manawa Mauria. My earliest memories of haka, performing for Lady Di and Prince Charles, their visit to Tairāwhiti when I was at Manituki School. Some of my influences, I have to say first and foremost, my mum and dad, because they were part of the first team for Waihīrere that performed at the first Polynesian Festival. What I love about kapahaka, first and foremost, is the connection, is the ability for our whānau to just come together and do something that we enjoy. It can't get better than that.
Whaelo. Ki awa nei, she's the face of Te Matatini for my reanga. She's a powerhouse of kapahaka composition, performance, and she just has this beautiful magnetism about her. And everywhere she goes, she walks with this power and grace and surety, but massive, massive humility.
Our last kick is that final verse.
Yes.
You got to really kick it.
Change that gear.
You got to keep going. Got to keep going. Just got to keep going. Yeah, the note's got to hold too.
Right to the end.
Awesome.
She has this fantastic humility, which I think is a wicked trait. Also, mad skills. Aringa, poi, performance of notes, which in a studio setting is super important. Not just singing the note, but performing it.
So, as well as breathing and holding your notes and getting there, smile through your eyes to brighten the sound so that we're not going up like that, constantly fighting up the hill. You want to come from the top of the hill down.
What I've seen is it didn't matter what Rob asked individuals to do, they got up and they did their best.
All right, whānau, time to shine, time to shine.
When you hear the recording, wow, it's amazing. You know, all of these guys that have come here have been chosen for the fact that they do what they do. But more than that, they love it.
The impact of this mahi, I believe, is allowing whoever listens to this is allowing them to go on a journey. It's not every day that you will have a collaborative of people from different rohe around one table doing something that we all love. I mean, let's face it, we all love singing, first and foremost. And so I can't recall, I guess, a project of this nature happening before. We've had people saying just some amazing things of snippets of what they've seen. And so, you know, the impact of that is huge because it gives those people from all the rohe that all these songs come from just the opportunity for us to go, yes, we're celebrating you because this is yours. This isn't ours. This is yours.